Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a domain purchased on Namecheap to your WordPress website. If you want your site to use a custom domain instead of a temporary or default address, this guide is for you. The purpose is to connect your Namecheap domain to your WordPress website so visitors can access your site using the custom domain name. This makes your website look more professional, strengthens your brand, and ensures your website is properly linked to your hosting provider. Let's get started and go through the process together in a simple way so everyone can follow along. First, open your browser. In your browser, type namecheap.com. When you are on namecheap.com, log into your account. After logging in, go to your account in the upper right corner and click on Domain List. To connect your domain list to your WordPress, just copy this domain. Copy this one and then open a WordPress platform that works for you. We will use Easy WordPress because it's free and works well with Namecheap domains. When you are on ecwp.com, go to New Website. Click Create a New Website and continue. Here, paste your domain, type your domain name and press Enter. After choosing your domain, click on the free starter pack. Then, select the domain from Easy WordPress or from your Namecheap account. You can choose this domain from Easy WordPress or skip this step if you want. Now we are here. After this, copy this link and go to your domain. Let's go back to the domain. Once we are on our domain page, click your domain, open the drop-down, and select Manage. Then, click on Custom DNS. Add the same server and paste this link here. Next, click Check. When this is done, you can continue. Now we are connected to our domain. When the website is created and finished, that's how we add a Namecheap domain to a WordPress website. Once the DNS changes have fully propagated, your site will be live on your custom domain.